Okay. Yes. Okay. Should be live. Audio is on and video should be yes. Okay, so welcome back to another live, guys. For those of you who are new here, we basically do this analysis on daily basis where we see what happened in the market today as well as try and figure out what would happen tomorrow, right? So this is completely based on analysis such as option chain OI data, as well as we try and look at the charts for the price movements, right? For example, trend lines and all that. For those of you who have been joining us on regular basis, thank you for joining in. And yes, we should quickly get in and see what happened in the markets, right? So yes, so I think overall view here directly we understand that okay, Nifty is gone 1.1% up, Bank Nifty 1.5% up, and I'm still a little more confident that what do you call we are headed towards all-time high, right? Let's see if it does happen this month, and the way Nifty or Bank Nifty is moving, it really seems like it, right? It does have a little steam to it. Other than Friday we saw, I think even though it went up, we saw it come crashing down the second half, right? So yeah, we shall quickly look at the charts. So yeah, as we were seeing, I think there's no major news that is coming out either that has been affecting the market of any kind, right? So yeah, I'll just quickly go to Nifty futures. We'll start with Nifty futures, right? And we'll see how much it's being towards the levels we have drawn. And yes, we'll just look at it, right? So yeah, so I think today complete day around 18,317. So we saw a big, we didn't see a big gap up. Okay, we saw a small gap up opening, but it was a gap up opening, and since then it has been going up, right? So there wasn't any sign of the market coming down at all. It just was a very good high market, and throughout it all as well, it's been staying above the VWAP as well, right? So very bullish. And so yeah, as per uh, this support, this resistance, 18,500 is drawn from the what do you call based on OI, right? So we see a lot of call sells here. We should quickly go to the option charts and check it out also. And also, those of you who did take any trades today, make sure you put it down in the comments and let me know if you guys are holding any trades for tomorrow, be it index or any FNO stock, right? So yes, coming back quickly. So 18,500 looks like it's a little far. Yes, 18,500 quite another 200 points away. But then yeah, the way the market is looking, as it's looking very bullish, it seems like what do you call the why there is a very far resistance is because people are more bullish on the markets, right? So it's 18,500 is where the next resistance is, and at least in terms of a strong resistance, right? So that's what we're looking for, something that is backed by. So 18,500 is backed by OI also. We should quickly look into it as well. So yeah, this is Nifty. Quickly going into the option chain. So yes, okay, PCR 0.9. Yes, we are Nifty. Good. So yeah, we were looking at 18,500, right? So yeah, as you see here, 18,500 currently has 86.1 lakh OI, right? And again, today it added more as well. Okay, sorry, that crackers bursting here. I think it's in celebration of the markets itself, the way it's going, the way Nifty is also breaking cracker sounds. We are also headed the same way. But yes, 18,500, right? So we see 86.1 lakh of OI at this specific level, and we see 28.8 lakhs being added today as well, right? But again, it is very far, right? So we are currently at the money is currently 18,300, but 200 points away, which shows okay, market is a little bullish as well, right? And if you look at it here, 18,200, which is much more closer to the ATM, has a 1.2 crore put sell, right, at 18,200, which makes a lot of traders, basically what this is implying is that a lot of traders are expecting it to stay above 18,200 and not break down, right? So that's a very good support as well. And you look at the OI change from yesterday as well, we see a 54 lakh increase at that specific level, right? And that's because the market is looking very bullish, right? So yeah, we also have the trend that what basically that specific strike implies as well. So yeah, so I think directly you would get to know, okay, market does look bullish in terms of put OI being increasing, right? So yes, that's why we had drawn 18,500 and 18,200 looks like a strong support, right? Like quickly going back, I think we have already marked 18,200 in the charts as well. But yes, just going to that again. Give me 1 second. Yes, also, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the background music because the things going on in the streets and all that. So, if you are, I think that can act as background music to this live as well, right? So, yes, quickly just going into the trading view charts. Yes, also, please make sure you comment if you think we would reach all-time high this month, right? So, I am a little more optimistic on this. I want to see an all-time high hit, and the way the bull run has been as well. I think if we are going towards it, right? So yeah, 18,500 and 18,200 are our new levels at least for the week. I think 18,500, as I said, very far away, right? That's because market is very bullish, and we see okay, this was I'm assuming 4th May high. Yes, that was 4th May high, which it was playing around today, right? So it reached around 18,314, and it kept playing around, right? But yeah, it became a little more sideways towards the end. But yes, 18,200, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's here. I think quickly we should just add a price label so that we know. Yes. So this was the place. A lot more food sellers are coming in order to act as a great support, right? So you look at it, this price is a little more closer towards the support, but that is because people are not selling a call option is because they're expecting it to go higher, right? So that's what we can understand from that. Quickly saving the chart here, and also people who do note down levels. So you know the reason behind why we have put down this levels as well, right? So yeah, I think So what I just did was the Bollinger Bands. I've just added it here, but yes. So yeah, I think it was oversold towards the end over here, and it just came back towards the moving average, right, of the Bollinger Band. So we currently are using the 20 MA. So yes, okay. So that was Nifty. As we just saw, again very bullish. I think quickly we should just check the PCR and then go towards Bank Nifty, right? So option OI change Nifty, yes. So yeah, as we can see here, we see a lot of put being increased and call being decreased. So both are happening, right? So that also shows a very bullish sign. And I think okay, PCR is 0.9. Let's just check in terms of Friday, right? So Friday, I think we had it a little low. Yeah. So zero point 0.6 to 0.9, right? So we see that it's moving from a bearish signal to a more bullish sign here through OI PCR data, right? So yes, that is 0.6 to 0.9, and that is Nifty quickly coming into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I think they formed a very sideways range again, similar to Nifty. It's was playing around after the initial run in the morning, right? So right after that, it was. Just show you. I think it's just moving around a certain area, but yes, a channel. Yeah. So this was the channel that it kept moving around, right? We had a breakout, but it did literally within 10-15 minutes. It came back into the channel, and yes. So seeing the levels here as well. Yeah. So I think today's opening. Let me just stat lows. I think I just want to hide the Bollinger Bands for now so that it's not too confusing, right? So yeah, we saw 5th May low at 42,651, which showed a very bearish trend, right? But as you can see here, again, a small gap up opening similar to Nifty. We saw a very good bull run until 950, right? So 950.10. After that, it kept playing around the range, right? So we saw for 43,360 and 43,230, where it was continuously playing around, as you can see here. And yes, it was above VWAP throughout the day, similar to Nifty, as well as it took support at the end as well, right? So yes, so Bank Nifty again seems a little more bullish as well. I think we can be completely more bullish. I think Bank Nifty is a little more closer towards the all-time high than Nifty. If I'm not wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But yes, so as you can see here, I think 43,460 is support that it has taken today as well, right? It did not break it, and I think Fridays, yeah. So Friday, yes, what happened was we had a good initial high, which almost covered up the gap down that had happened, but as soon as not completely, but almost, right? Yeah, as you can see, it had almost covered it up, but then as soon as it reached 43,570 here, we saw a complete downfall, right? So almost, let's check what range this was fallen at as well. Give me 1 second. Yes, price range. So I think so a huge fall that we can see here, almost 800 points, right? That is a very big fall that it happened on Friday, and we also usually know when the market falls, it falls very fast and with lots of um, volume as well. But when it goes up, it usually takes a little more time, right? So yeah, as you can see here, 800 point fall almost on Friday, but yeah, I think it quickly covered it up today. So I think we're a little more sideways, where market is not running at the same steam towards the all-time high that it had since Friday, because Friday we saw the little pullback and almost 800 points, right, which reached the low of 42,651. So yeah, today again it did not break out of 43,460. So 43,460 to 500 above is where it should be headed. At least we see it. We look at the longer picture. Let me just. Yes, so you can see this big range it's still playing in, right? So 43,700 was the high it made on 4th May, which I think it's again going towards. But yeah, 43,700 and 42,651, right? So this is the range market has been playing since end of May at least. So end of May to end of April to beginning of May, right? So yes, as you can see here, yeah. So these are the levels I'm expecting it to break. So as soon as it breaks 43,460 and 500, we should be heading very high, right? I'm expecting this also to be broken only if this level these two levels, that is 43,460 and 508, are broken in the coming days. So yes, I think again from Friday to today, I think the PCR should also be a very positive sign. Let me just open it for Bank Nifty. Yeah, today, yes. So today it is 0.9. Let me just quickly check for Friday as well. Yes. So yeah, 0.5 to 0.9, right? So very bullish sign, at least from Friday to today. And if you look at it here, you look at the change in Y as well, we see a lot of put addition, right? So that again implies that we are higher. And you look at the call side, not a lot, right? So we should just quickly look at the option chain. And yes, for those of you who do not use all the columns here, you can quickly head to the settings and only use the columns you would like to use, right? So also, if you have watched my previous lives, I think we have also informed you that we have fires integrated as well now along with Zerodha. So you can take live trades now by connecting fires as well. So yes, so you can set up, so you can quickly do that in the settings, and also you can filter according to how you want the option chain, right? Yeah. But yes, quickly looking at it again, we see a lot of put addition here, 15 lakh, 11 lakh, 20 lakh. But again, on the call side, you see only 6 lakh, 3 lakh, and almost people have reduced their long positions, right? So that's again a very good indication that okay, people are expecting it to go higher again, and I think there would be a more solid support than a resistance as of now. But yes, so that was the analysis for today. And yes, so we do this on daily basis. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the analysis that we do on daily basis. And also make sure you check out the previous videos on how we usually look at the markets from one day and to another. And because a lot of lines drawn on the charts and all that are based on previous days analysis, right? So if you come in for the first time, most probably this would be what do you call, like why have we drawn this line? So you can always look at the previous videos as well in order to understand okay how we do this analysis on daily basis. But also yes, make sure you like the video and you subscribe to it as well. And as always, please, this is completely for educational purpose. We do not provide any calls or tips. And before you do take any trade, make sure you consult your financial advisor. So yes, thanks for joining in as usual, and make sure you come back tomorrow at 3:45 so that we can see if we can see how our analysis for today has gone, along with how it would be for day after tomorrow, right? So yes, very interesting, very good looking markets as of now, and there's no very heavy news that is impacting it. So yes, that's a good sign. And also, I think Karnataka state elections is on Wednesday, so we can see how if there would be any news around that which would affect the market as well. So yes, thanks for joining in again. Make sure you join in tomorrow. See you guys.